Hey guys, we are here at the Chicago Auto Show for 2021 to introduce the 2022 lineup for Ram 1500 trucks. Roman is behind the camera. There he is. And in this video, we're going to show you 3 trucks. Right here is the new Backcountry Off-Road Edition. Over here, this black truck is the new GT. And over there, the blue one is actually the new Limited 10, which is the 10th anniversary. But let's start with this one, because it's very special and it's a good value. Roman, can you give him a quick walk around? So what makes the Backcountry special, other than some of the badging that I'll show you in a second, it basically starts out as a bighorn, really affordable model. It can also be had as a Lone Star, and then they add some off-road bits. Let me show you, first of all, right here. So the 4x4 off-road label basically means specially tuned shocks, some skid plates, hill descent control, but then it's also the look of the truck, right? So you have blacked out bumpers, blacked out wheels. You can get optional equipment like ram boxes, the tonneau cover, and the side steps. Check out this step right there. And it can basically can be had with a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi or the Hemi with the e-torque system. But the value story is pretty cool. I'll tell you the price in just a minute.
I want that one.
Oh, the TRX? Well, that's not new for 22, dude. Come over this way. Where are you going? Where are you going? No. Okay, come back. So check it out. Look at this. Look at the badging. So what else you can get actually is you can see is a 12-inch infotainment screen, the trailer backup assist system. You can also equip it with other options for 2022 across the whole lineup of Ram trucks. But what makes this special, starting price on a quad cab, not the full crew cab, is about $41,000. For that you get the Backcountry package, which comes with all the off-road gear, V8 engine, 4 doors, just a shorter cab for 41 grand plus destination. I think that's a really great value. And also you can get all the badging and the cool look of this Backcountry truck. All right, so there's still a lot of action going on here because they're still building this show. Let's look at the GT, that's the cool one.
Andre, isn't the GT basically TRX without the Hellcat power plant?
Kind of, yes. So the new G/T GT Ram 1500 is a package based on a Rebel or a Laramie. This right here is a Rebel, so it's almost a TRX. But what makes a TRX other than the Hellcat? Well, come inside.
Oh, look at that. It's got the shifter out of the TRX.
Yeah. So what else you can get here is like rear view camera, of course, a big 12-inch screen. Also, you can get the trailer backup assist, leather. It's a fully equipped Rebel, which means it's got the Rebel suspension, Rebel tires. So of course you got Duratrack tires, all of your look, the skid plates, the rear locker, all that stuff you get. But you also get the kind of the performance pages, so you can look at your 0 to 60 times, your G-forces, your off-road pages, and you can get the badging too. Bam, right there, GT. So you know this is a special Rebel, not just any common Rebel. Also comes as a Laramie, so if you want a little bit more luxury, you can get that too. And the starting price is around 55 grand with a Hemi e-torque. So once again, V8 power, crew cab truck with special performance bits and a ram box. So yeah, you can get all of this equipment for 2022. So Ram is not actually adding like a new power plant choice. For the GT, I was kind of hoping they would bring like the 6.4 liter Hemi, the bigger Hemi engine, and give it a little bit more power to bridge the gap to the TRX, but you're still getting the 5.7, but you're getting a little bit more performance as far as what the truck actually can tell you.
All right, let's go look at the next one.
Yep.
Yeah, right there. Look at that in TLF colors.
Dude, I What's that? What's it? The limited truck? What are you doing?
Oh, come on. You know what's the interesting truck here?
I know you like the 702 horsepower, right?
Yeah, let's look at the last one.
By the way, the TRX, it's really expensive. It starts at 72 grand. It can go to about 100K, for that Hellcat engine. Well, if you want luxury, this is it, basically. This is the limited truck, top of the line for Ram. Of course, with options, it can also get kind of pricey, but let's look at the interior. This is a special 10th anniversary for 2022. And the way you know this is look inside on the console. It should have a special badge. Aha! But check this out. Of course, panoramic sunroof, heads-up display. Can you see that? Heads-up display, big screen. Once again, every luxury feature. And of course, look at how the interior is done. Ram is really, taking their interiors to the next level with all of their trucks. So this one starts at around 61,000. Of course, with options and these 22s. Let me show you the wheels. These are special, they have painted inserts, really nice air suspension. Of course, you can bring the price higher than 61, but it starts at 61. So I think the whole story is the Backcountry is really affordable option for off-roaders. The GT is really cool. And of course, the Limited is very luxurious.
Go check out the tailgate, Andre. It's got a surprise.
It's the special barn door tailgate. That's what we call it. It can open normally, right? But it can also open this style. And there's an additional step. So this step is actually, so you can actually get into the bed easier when the tailgate is open this way. So you can kind of step up and get stuff out, or actually bring a motorcycle in maybe. You can do a variety of different things.
All right, well, let's go look at the most important truck here.
TRX?
Of course! I've teased it long enough.
Actually, there's also a blue TRX here somewhere. How about that?
Let's go look underneath the TRX. I've always wanted to see what it looks like underneath.
Once again, the Chicago Auto Show is still being built out. There's a lot of action still going on here. Look at that beefy truck. It has a unique, of course, frame. Look at those skid plates. They're gigantic.
Look at that one. I mean, look how long that is. That's got to be 5 feet long.
It's got 35s. It's got the Hellcat engine. Look, it's got all the accessories, the side steps, the sports bar. Do you want to look further?
I think we saw it.
Okay.
We'll be providing complete coverage from the Chicago Auto Show. So there's a lot more videos coming, including the new Jeep Compass. It's over.
Totally.
Tommy did a video, but we're also going to be looking at the what in Ford?
Well, hopefully the Lightning, F-150 Lightning is here. There's a Maverick, there's e-Transit. There's also Kia EV6 electric car, the brand new one. There's also VW GTI. So
yes,
all of that.
Stay tuned for a lot more videos. We'll get them published to TFL Now as soon as we get them shot. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time in a bit. Ciao.